We are going to donate fire extinguishers today. This program is a volunteer community firefighting program. The reason why we started this program is because there's a time lapse between when the fire starts and between when the fire brigade arrive. Now the fire brigades arrive late, and most of the time it's not their fault. People phone late because the fire starts, it's chaos, everybody runs around, but our valley is alive. Then they must still come to the area, the roads are busy, and they sometimes struggle to get into the area, especially in IY. So a fire extinguisher is the most basic piece of firefighting equipment.
Dat is het belangrijkste, om een veilige omgeving te skep. Ons kan miskien nou dink ons mors tyd, maar die dag as die bomwaarskuwing sê, as die vlamme hoog is, dan het jy die kennis om jy sal self bemagtig om jou te red en jou bure. So baie dankie daarvoor, dis waardeer dit.
I just would like to thank Fire Rescue for your team and even our community members. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being willing to bring that extra help to our community. And I know, especially the youth, we will make a difference. Thank you.